Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section 1704. Determine the string halves alike. So you are given a string S of even length. Split this string into two halves of equal length. Then A be a first and B be a second. Two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels. So A, I, O, U and A, I, O, U. So notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letter. So return true if A, B are alike. Otherwise return false. Okay, so for example, this S you separate into two parts. The A is BO, the B is OK, right? So A is BO, B is OK, and A has one vowel O, and B has one vowel. Therefore, they are alike. Textbook separate into two parts. One is text, one is book. So A has one vowel, but E, right? But B has two vowel, like two O. So they are not the same. So it's very easy. Okay. Okay, so I define a function called count vowel. So basically, this is all what we have A, I, O, U, A, I, O, U. Number 0. So for I in S, if I in if I in L, that means that the number is a vowel, then number add 1 and then return a number. So basically, this count vowel will count how many vowel in the list, in a string. Then it's very easy that I just separate S into the first part. So length S divided by 2. This is A, this is B. So I just count whether count vowels, whether A equals B, Okay, so that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.